Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact Graco model and paint viscosity so you know which parts and settings matter. This prevents wasted parts and repeat trips. Once done, depressurize and unplug the sprayer, then remove the tip, guard, and hose. This exposes the inlet and motor. Make a quick visual check for clogs, dried paint, or fractured fittings. Those are the most common failure points. If you see paint buildup, prepare solvent and brushes, because you'll clean before disassembly. You disassemble the fluid path focusing on the inlet screen, check valve, piston, and seals, because a tiny tear ruins pressure. Once removed, soak metal parts in the correct solvent for 10 to 30 minutes to dissolve dried paint, then scrub with a brass brush and compressed air. Make sure to inspect rubber seals for nicks and the piston for scoring. Replace any parts that show wear with OEM or exact spec equivalents, and lubricate new seals lightly before reassembly. You reassemble the sprayer carefully, seating seals evenly and torquing fittings to spec so leaks don't reappear. Improper seating causes pressure loss. Once built, run water or low viscosity solvent at low pressure to prime the system and confirm consistent spray pattern. If you still get low pressure or sputtering, inspect the pump pack, motor brushes, and control valve for electrical or mechanical failure. These are the final failure modes. One key troubleshooting tip. If pattern pulsing continues, swap in a known good tip and check return to hose routing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.